The prosecution in the drug trafficking trial of Dr. Rudy Puana surprised some people today by deciding not to call on a certain witness. KITV4's Eddie Dowd reports from outside federal court.
It was an announcement that even seemed to catch Judge Michael Seabright off guard. The prosecution saying it will rest its case without calling Dr. Rudy Puana's sister to the stand, Katherine Kealoha, who was originally on the witness list.
A lot of times the government will put witnesses on the list that they never intend on calling to make the lawyer stay so busy. So you have to prepare your cross-examination for Katherine. You have to get ready as she's taking a stand. And that takes away time from you being able to strengthen your defense in other areas, right? Because you're focused on what happens if they call Katherine.
They had to figure out the benefit versus the loss of her testifying. And they obviously thought that they had enough that the jury heard to convict without damaging their case by calling her.
Throughout the Puana trial, Katherine Kealoha's name has come up on several occasions. The prosecution established she was a patient at the Puana Pain Clinic, where Dr. Puana prescribed her pain pills, including oxycodone. Prosecution witness Christopher McKinney, a close friend of the Kealohas, said in his testimony that Puana had a history of doing illegal drugs with his sister. FBI agents also presented evidence showing McKinney had frequent contact with an accused drug dealer. HPD Sergeant Daniel Sellers told the court Katherine Kealoha was directly involved in a drug bust operation with that same dealer McKinney had contact with. McKinney also testified that Katherine helped him get his DUI case dismissed when she was Honolulu deputy prosecutor. And the prosecution's final witness was Dr. Gregory Polston, an expert witness on the prescription of opioids. Federal prosecutors tried to use his testimony to paint Dr. Puana as a doctor who failed to follow the rules and recklessly prescribed controlled substances. Now, coming up, Puana's lawyers will have a chance to mount their defense and present their own witnesses. Reporting in Honolulu, Eddie Dowd, KITV4, Island News.